Hey everyone, welcome back to USA Dream Vehicles, your #1 destination for the hottest, boldest, and most jaw-dropping rides hitting the streets. Today, we're diving into a beast that's turning heads and burning rubber in 2025, the all-new BMW M4. And trust me, this isn't just a facelift, it's a full-blown statement. So buckle up because this is the ultimate guide to the 2025 BMW M4, from the slick interior and aggressive exterior, to its mind-blowing performance, cutting-edge safety tech, and why this might just be the most complete M4 yet. Exterior design, pure muscle refined. The 2025 BMW M4 comes out swinging, and it's bringing sharper lines, a wider stance, and yes, that controversial kidney grille is still here, but it's been reworked and reimagined. Love it or hate it, it's bold, it's aggressive, and it's unmistakably new LED laser headlights with blue accent lighting, blacked-out air intakes, and a redesigned rear diffuser give the M4 a meaner, more aerodynamic edge. The carbon fiber roof, larger side vents, and quad tailpipes scream performance, while the optional M Performance package adds lightweight forged wheels and a rear spoiler that actually works. This car doesn't whisper sporty, it yells, "Get out of my way." Interior design. Luxury meets racetrack slide inside the 2025 M4, and you're greeted by a digital cockpit straight out of a spaceship. We're talking a massive curved display that merges the 12.3-inch instrument cluster and the 14.9-inch infotainment screen into one flowing piece of glass, all powered by BMW's iDrive 8.5 system. It's responsive, customizable, and packed with tech. The carbon bucket seats are aggressive, supportive, and drop-dead gorgeous, now with heating, ventilation, and optional massaging. Ambient lighting wraps around the interior, giving it that futuristic glow, and M-specific details like contrast stitching, carbon trim, and that legendary M steering wheel make sure you never forget what you're driving. It's a cockpit designed for speed, but comfortable enough for your daily criteria performance, a power that dominates. Now let's talk numbers. The 2025 M4 comes with the tried-and-true 3.0L twin-power turbo inline-6, but it's been fine-tuned to deliver even more punch. You're looking at up to 530 horsepower in the M4 Competition X-Drive, with 0 to 60 mph in a neck-snapping 3.3 seconds. Rear wheel. Drive purists can still have their fun, but the available X-Drive AWD system offers insane grip off the line. The transmission? A lightning-fast 8-speed M Steptronic, and the handling? Dialed in, thanks to adaptive M suspension, precision steering, and an active M differential. This isn't just a sports car, this is a track weapon in a business suit. Safety. Smart and strong performance is nothing without safety, and BMW has packed the 2025 M4 with their latest driving assistance professional package. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, front collision warning, and even a hands-free highway driving mode. And for those who live life on the edge, there's also an onboard performance data recorder. So, you can analyze your lap times and your safety margins. The M4 doesn't just protect you, it watches your back, your sides, and the road ahead. Overall, a masterpiece of speed and style. So what's the verdict? The 2025 BMW M4 is a total knockout. It's sharper, faster, smarter, and bolder than ever before. Whether you're carving up canyons, tearing up track days, or just turning heads in the city, the new M4 is everything an enthusiast could dream of, and more. Luxury? Check. Power? Absolutely. Tech? Off the charts. Presence? Unmatched. So tell us, would you take the wheel of the 2025 M4? Or is another performance king calling your name? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if you're loving BMW's bold new direction, and don't forget to subscribe to USA Dream Vehicles for more drool-worthy car content every single week. Thanks for watching, and will I see you in the next one. Want a Japanese version of this script too?